Hi there! In this video, we'll learn to register a driver's profile. Every invited driver gets an SMS with a link to download the app and register a profile. Let's register a driver's profile. Open the app, authorize with the SMS code received to the invitee's number and select the company. On the first screen, fill in the personal information, name, driver license, and emergency contact number, which is optional. Driver image is also optional, unless marked as a mandatory in driver settings. You may take a new photo, choose one from gallery, or add one later. Press Save to proceed to the second screen and fill in car details. Just put in vehicle model, color, production year, plate number, board number, and passenger capacity. Car image is optional, unless otherwise required by the company. You may add it by taking a new photo or choosing an existing one. You can also specify additional options. Do not forget to save the selected options and vehicle data. Tap Save yet again, and now you have to wait for the company to confirm your activation request. To activate a new driver, the manager should access his profile, check personal details, revise vehicle data, assign vehicle type, and press Activate. After that, a driver is fully activated. He can reassess the app, go online, confirm channels, and start receiving jobs. To receive trip receipts and other company newsletters, a driver should add a valid email in Personal Information subtab. Driver license can be added from Additional Documents subtab. That's about it for today. See you in the next videos.